Hello guys, and welcome to this YouTube video. In this video I'll be showing you 11 reasons why people fail in forex trading. So let's go. BABY. So it's coming up and here it is. And this is the official website of babypips.com. Over here they offer complete educational training from beginner level to a professional level, and this is basically the reasons why many people fail in forex trading. Many people do not even know there's a free forex course that they can study exhaustively and get abreast with the ins and out of forex trading, and continue to scale up in their knowledge. Right? They do not do this. What they just do is they get excited about the opportunity they have had about trading forex, how they can become a millionaire overnight, and they just fund their accounts, and before you know it, they're on the live chat, and before you know it as well, not quite long, they also blow their accounts. Right? It happens most especially to many people. We all blow our account, right? But if you are able to go through these courses, right, from course 1 to 11, I bet you, I can assure you that you will do exponentially phenomenal. So what are the reasons? PreSchool didn't study all this. Who trades the forex market? What the forex market is all about, they do not know. And also course 2, kindergarten, brokers, types of brokers, classes of broker analysis, and types of chart. They really do not know all this. And in course 3, elementary, support and resistance, Japanese candlestick, Fibonacci, moving averages, popular chart indicators, they do not know. And in course 4, where you are taught oscillators and momentum indicators, important chart patterns, pivot points, I can assure you many of people or traders as well do not know this. In summer school, which is course 5, that talks about Heikin Ashi, Elliott wave theory, harmonic patterns, right? They do not study. High school, which is the course number 6, trading divergence, market environment, breakouts and break-in and fake-outs, fundamental analysis, currency crosses, multiple time analysis, right? Multiple time frame analysis, they do not study as well. So course 7, undergraduate freshman, that talks about market sentiments, trading news, carry trade, right? Course 8, which talks about undergraduate sophomore, that talks about the US dollar index, intermarket correlations, using equities to trade FX, and a lot of other information packed under that course, right? Many people do not study this. And then number 9, course 9, undergraduate junior, where you are taught about how you can develop your own trading plan, how you can make your own trading plan fit you, the kind of person you are, how to create your own trading plan, journaling your trades. They do not study as well. Many people don't even know how to keep a trade journal, right? Then course 10 talks about risk management, right? Position sizing, setting stop losses, scaling in and out, currency correlation, and the number 1 reason why many people fail in forex, number 1 causes of death of forex traders. They do not even study this, right? And then you graduate, right? It talks about binary options, personality quizzes, and all of that. Many people do not study all these courses, and it's right here, completely free. I know the reason why they do not do that. They find it very boring, time consuming to go through all of this. It is really painstaking. You have to make sacrifices to go through this, so the time and effort and all that, it's kind of very tiresome and worrisome to many. So what the essence of this course, right, that will be doing now and henceforth is to enable you to grasp all of it, the onions, right, the core of the school, from course 1 to course 11, but in a very quick and fast-paced manner, right? So we'll not be reading word for word. When we get to any particular core, right, like what is forex, I would explain in detail, give you detailed information about what that topic is, or what that subtopic is, what you need to know, what you don't need to worry about, right? And then we can just go real quick, so that way you don't need to spend 3 hours studying or learning what forex is all about, right? We can do that in 20-30 minutes or less, right? To exhaustively finish course 1, it will take you like 2 or 3 days, but we're going to do that in less than 2 hours, right? So that's how quick we're going to go through this code. So if you are a skilled professional forex trader already, right, please skip this video. It's not meant for you. However, if you are a beginner, right, I can assure you you're going to learn a lot from this course. And let me tell you a secret, right, what many people do not know. Do you know that the people who make the moves in the market, the speculators, hedge funds, and the banks, right, and the major players in the forex market, do you know that they put out their positions every week, every Friday? Like I'm shooting this video now on Friday, right? They've already done that. They've put out their positions for next week trades. What I want to do for next week, they've put out their positions on Fridays. Today already, it's on the internet there, and many people do not know this. However, you will be taught how to do that and how to understand their data that they publish online right here on Babypips, right? So many people do not know that. They just get so excited and then jump into the forex live chat and live market, and they are trading, right? And without really getting abreast with the solid background knowledge of forex. So Babypips, right, is the #1 forex trading education platform you can find on the internet, right? So there are lots of other, but Babypips is the #1. It's the #1. It's so enormous and exhaustive when it comes to teaching you the core forex trading education, right? So this is the essence of this video. I don't want to make this video very long, so we're going to stop right now and then begin from preschool, which talks about what forex is all about and all that. Okay, so enjoy watching this video and subscribe to this channel, because we'll be discussing everything here in out, right? And subscribe to this channel, invite your friends to come and to come and watch and learn as well, and then join our Instagram channel and our Telegram channel, where I'll be dropping signals for you, right? If you're a beginner, this is your first time, please don't take the signals in with your live accounts, right? You can use a demo to take those signals so that you can know, just be studying and be learning, right? If you use a live account as well, you make money, right? But you're not ready for a live account right now, okay? Just go do demo. So subscribe, click notification, and invite your friends and family to learn as well. What is forex? Okay, I'm not going to take time, like it's a lot, right? A lot of information to absorb, but I'm not going to take time. I will give you the most important information you should know, because I know many of us find it difficult to go through word for word. So what is forex? Simply put, it is the global market that allows anyone to trade two currencies against each other. Simple. That's forex. Look at this sign here: Japanese yen and the US dollar sign, the euro and the Great Britain pound. So how do you trade these currencies? Now let's say, for example, you are traveling to Japan and you are from the United States, right? So you get to the airport and you go to the and you say, I want to exchange my US dollars for Japanese yen, because when you get to Japan, you'll be using the Japanese yen, which is the currency there, right? And you say, okay, for instance, you have 10 US dollar, and you know, the official or the exchange agent right there tells you, okay, 1 US dollar is equal to 100 Japanese yen, and you have $10, and you're like, wow, I'm going to be rich, super rich. You know, back in the United States, $10 can give you maybe a cup of Starbucks, right? Or maybe two, you know. But in Japan, they're telling you we give you 100 yen, and it can buy you more, way more than that. So when you exchange your US dollar for the Japanese yen, what you have engaged in is foreign exchange. The exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. And if you can do this correctly, boom, you make a lot of money. So what actually is forex? The foreign exchange market is usually called forex, right? And it is done real time. The New York Stock Exchange alone controls $2.24 billion traded on it daily, okay, on the New York Stock Exchange alone. However, the foreign exchange markets, 6.6 trillion US dollar traded daily. That's a lot, right? So let's see. Look at this monster here, right? This you can see, oh, it's very huge, it's very big. What a monster, right? This can be related to the New York Stock Exchange, which is trading to 22.2 billion US dollar, daily. However, if you compare the foreign exchange markets, you can see this tiny monster has reduced, and now another enormous vicious monster is here. Woo! So basically, guys, let's be fast, and this is just it, right? So the 6.6 trillion US dollar traded every day worldwide looks like this. However, the New York Stock Exchange just looks like it's very little. So the foreign exchange market is really huge, guys. It's huge. Let's do a little breakdown of it, right? So we have 6.6 trillion US dollars traded every day on the forex market. And now in the New York Stock Exchange alone, it controls about 22.4 billion, the biggest. And the Tokyo Stock Exchange, has about 18.9 billion trading volume every day, followed by the London Stock Exchange, which has $7.2 billion traded every day. So this is how it looks. And so how does the market operate? 24 hours every day, 6 days a week. The market just closes one day, right? And take a look at it here. It says it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays. On Saturdays, the market is actually open, but it is pretty slow, and most traders do not have activities on that day. The closing trades, no much activity on that day, right? So simple as ABC, we're done with what Forex is all about, right? We're done. Next, what is traded in Forex? Simple answer: money, right? So you exchange your US dollar for the Japanese yen because you are in the Japanese economy or Japanese economy. Then you are basically selling your US dollar to buy the Japanese yen. What you are saying, the US dollar is no longer useful to you, but the Japanese yen is useful to you. So you are selling the US economy and you're buying the Japanese economy. That's basically what you are actually doing. You believe one currency will become better presently, the reason why you are buying it, and also in the future. So you discard one to get one. So what major currencies do we trade? Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, the European euro, US States dollar, the Swiss franc, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and the New Zealand dollar. These are the major currencies we trade. They are a lot, right? And so how is it being represented? So take a look at this code. You have the USD, Euro, JPY, GBP, CHF, which stands for Swiss franc, and then CAD, Canadian dollar, or AUD, NZD. So basically, they first of all impute the country name and then the country currency, right? So like you see, NZD, NZ, and D. NZ stands for the country's name, New Zealand, and then dollar is the currency they're using. So in New Zealand they use dollar, so NZD stands for New Zealand dollar. So buying and selling currency pairs. What is this all about, guys? It's actually a constant toggle of war when you buy a currency pair. So currency, they are always traded in pairs. They are traded through a broker or a dealer in pairs, and they are quoted in relation to another currency. We have the Euro USD, GBP JPY, right? Traded against each other. You see these two monsters, these little guys over here, they're fighting against each other. It's a tug of war. Okay, we have three categories of currency pairs: major pairs, crosses, and exotics. What do they stand for? Major pairs, the Euro and the USD. And take a look. This is how it looks like. Okay, guys, this is just what is more important for you to do, to know the currency pairs and all that. At some times you might want to trade crosses and the exotics. The exotics are way more expensive for you to trade, but the majors and the crosses, they're kind of not that expensive for you to trade. So let's just take a look at some of them, right? So these are crosses: the euro and the Swiss franc, euro GBP, euro CAD, and all that. Then we have the yen crosses: EJ, GJ, CJ again, which is the CAD, and all that. The pound crosses, there are a lot. So just know we have all of these here for you to see. They are there. There's no rocket science about this. There are lots of pairs, you know that, okay? So let's move on to forex market size and liquidity. Boom, what do we have here? What is the forex market size? What is it all about? The bulk of forex trading takes place on what's called the interbank market, right? Between banks on a 24-hour period, right? All over the world. That is how it is structured. And what is the currency distribution of the market like? Here it is. The USD pairs is most traded, followed by the euro, JPY, GBP, AUD, CHF, CAD. I know you remember all of these, right? The US stands for United States and the D dollar. And the euro is the euro, you know that, European Union, right? JPY, Japanese yen, GBP, Great Britain pound, AUD, Australian dollar, CHF stands for Swiss franc, and then CAD stands for Canadian dollar. And then the other currency pairs, the crosses and exotic pairs, they account for 25%. So why is the US dollar the most traded? Why is it the highest over here? So let's go down to see the reasons why. The United States economy is the largest economy in the world. That's one reason. The US dollar is the reserve currency of the world as well. The United States has the largest and most liquid financial markets in the world. And the United States has a stable political system. Boom, so they say. The United States is the world's sole military superpower. That's what they say. The US dollar is the medium of exchange for many cross-border transactions. Correct. For example, US oil is priced in US dollar, also called petrodollars. So that. That's the reason why the US dollar has the highest frequency distribution in the market. So what different ways can you and I trade forex? You need to know where you are when it comes to foreign exchange market, okay? So there are different financial instruments as we are seeing right here. The most popular ones are retail forex, spot forex, currency futures, currency options, and all that. So this is you standing here in the middle, okay? And you are the currency trader, right? You are not in the futures market. You are never in the options. You are neither are you in the ETFs, right? But what you fall in is the spot FX. This is where it is called a spot because transactions are executed almost immediately, right? So under the spot market, we have the spread bets. This is for betting. We have the CFD, which is for another composition as well. And what we are concerned about is retail forex. So let's go down to retail forex, which is just on the spots, right? Yeah, spot FX. Okay. So what is the retail forex? What happens in the retail forex? You basically buying and selling to your broker at the quoted price the broker has agreed to give, to purchase your currencies, right? At the current market exchange price, which the broker has, stated right there. And so it's just a contract, right? You agree to the contract terms and conditions that you are seeing from the broker that is quoting, and you say, okay, I'm going to do business with this man. Okay, you buy and you sell it to him. He takes your transactions back and forth and all that. It is instantly. It is retail. You buy and sell and through your broker. Okay, so we're not going to go down in details in all these, right? It's not really important right now. So let's move down. Oh, so quick. Next lesson, how to make money trading forex. Okay, where are we right now? Are we in lesson 2 already? Let's see. I'm gonna find out because I want to make this video very short. You know, I don't want to take time. That's why I'm just, you know, I'm going through it real quick with you guys. How to make money trading forex. Oh, I gotta pause this video right now. Okay, so when I come back, we will start from 2.0, right? Sorry, 1.2, because we're done with what is forex and all this, you know, in no distant time, right? I can assure you the time we have spent to discuss all this, if you have been reading, boom, brother, you'll still be here, right? But we've talked through all of this, so it is quite simple and easy as that. So when I return, we'll begin from 1.2. How do you trade forex?